Hello, it's Richard here. Hi. Fender Mustang LT25 amp on the Fender Clean channel with a Squier Strat. So from Fender. Wonder what a clean sounding amp and a clean sounding guitar sound like. All the pickups. There we go, it's just a quick run through of all the pickups. I haven't got the action quite right on there. There's one or two, I won't say dead spots, but I've, yeah, I need to have a little tinker with the saddles and with the truss rod to get it right. So there's just one or two little buzzy spots. But yes, there we go. Clean guitar, clean amplifier. It sounds like a Strat, doesn't it? Because it is a Strat, even though it's only a very cheap one. It's got all the twanginesses that you need, and it's a great amp as well. Let me put this, I'm packing things away neat and tidily whilst we talk. You see how I've got my picks, because I'm a bit sad. Where are my picks? There, extra heavy. What's this one? Stent around Fender. That's medium. That's just heavy.